Today we're going to show you how to install a Category 5E Ethernet jack. This is the jack that you use for computers. If you look closely on the side of this Ethernet jack, you'll see that there's an A and B wiring configuration. A is along the bottom, B is along the top. The difference is in the A and B is the green and orange are reversed. We are going to use the B today. And all this means is that every jack that we install on this network has to be B in order for it to work properly. On the other side you can see the blue and brown. This is our Category 5E Ethernet cable. We're going to strip it open here with this wire stripper. Slip it in there. It has a little razor. There you go, it's open. First we're going to take this little ripcord wire here. This is to help you remove the jacket. We don't need it anymore. It gives it tensile strength for when you pull it as well. There you go. Now we got to untwist these wires. We untwist them in this order. First we do the blues. This is blue and blue-white. Untwist it, straighten it out a little bit. We're going to go through each one of these wires. Brown, brown-white's next. Untwist it. There you go. We do orange, orange-white. There we go. And green, green-white. They're the wires that are inside your Ethernet. All right, now we're going to take the jack, make it up here like this, and we're going to install the blue-white and the blue next to brown-white and the brown. Go there like that. On the other side, I'm going to do the orange-white and the orange. Then the green, white, and the green. And if you look, they should all match there, but they match on the side. I'm going to take this tool again. It has a little punch down. I'll punch each and one of these down. Now you can buy punch downs that will automatically cut your wires off, but this here is good enough. There we go, punch each one nice and down. As you push it down, the teeth of this jack actually cut into the wire and make the connection. Go through once again, make sure they're nice and good. That wasn't. There we go. You can see as long as they're all at the bottom, they're little V-shaped grooves and they cut into the wire. After that's in, what you want to do is you cut them. There we go. There we go. Now there's this little cap that goes on here that keeps it all nice and tight. There we go. It's all capped in, ready for the plate. Ooh. Now this is a modular plate it goes in. You can see that there's a little hook up the top, and there you go. There goes the Ethernet jack. It's right there in the plate, and we're good.
Hi, it's Bill again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share with your friends on Facebook and Twitter. For more information, go to generationthreeelectric.com.